Alright everyone, we are here at a Speedway gas station in Salt Lake City, and I believe they have a laser wash, which is all the way over there. We also got a speed bump. But we're gonna go around the building and see what it is. Got some diesel here. I assume this is for like semis. Well, maybe not semis. But here it is. The exit has its door open, so I'll go over to that. It has a newer sign. Is this a G5? It would be awesome if this is a G5. Oh, it says Tandem on it. Okay, I'm gonna go around and walk through it, and then we'll go through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, let's walk through it now. Here's the sign. Let's see. No, can't open that. Here's your pay station there. It's just regular C-start. Here's your instructions. I don't see any wash options signs, so you got an air pump, a vacuum, and some propane. There's your dryer timer with a 7-Eleven cup on it. It's a really weird setup. You got one superior dryer on a Pico arch. It's a really old Pico arch too. And then 3 more on another Pico arch. Here's the Tandem machine. There's your sign. This is going to be my first Tandem RiteTouch out of a Speedway, or a gas station actually. Actually, yeah, it is, I believe. It's a dirty bay. But here's the other gantry. Little scrubbers, top brush. I don't recognize that doohickey there on regular Tandem machines. Right, there's a brush. Hasn't been used in a while. But let's go through it now. I would use my tripod, but I don't have it right now. Plus, it would be cooler to look at this with a close-up view. Forward. 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 Back up. 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 That top brush does not look to be in the best of conditions. thing sounds pitiful. Those dryers are crap. Okay, so, oh boy, what would you rate that mess?
So, you know, it's interesting. I actually felt really good about the wash itself, but I mean, I wouldn't give it top marks for the wash, but it was decent on the wash. But the dry
was garbage.
I know it's raining; it's hard to tell, but it almost didn't dry much at all.
Yeah.
So, wash was decent for the class of wash, but the dry was just not great.
How much did you pay for the wash?
It was $10.
$10? That's fine, but there were some things that didn't work on the machine. Like the tri-foam, I'm pretty sure some sealants didn't work. You didn't get any wheel scrub, so that didn't work.
Oh.
I would say that's probably a 4 out of 10.
Okay.
So, that is the Speedway in Salt Lake City with a Tandem. I mean, I guess it's good in a pinch, but I wouldn't go to this as like a go-to car wash. But, that is the Tandem. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.